Here's how to climb at Buzzard Rocks. Here is the parking. When you get onto the mountain road, pay careful attention. Look carefully for the school bus stop sign, as directly behind it is the parking. Buzzard Rocks is very popular, so you may need to use the overflow lot. It's located 1 minute about 500 feet from the main parking. On your left, look for the mailboxes. Directly across, you'll see a dirt path that leads to some additional parking. Next, let's talk about the approach. Follow the sign for the hiking trail. The approach is about 2 miles total. You're going to cover about 500 feet of elevation gain, so I hope you're in shape. About 60% of the way through, you're going to need to go right at the fork in the trail. You made it! Now for the climbs. First, let's look at some warm-ups. Use caution for the run-out. Raising Arizona, 5-7. Failure to communicate, 5-6. Next, let's look at the moderates. You need a 70-meter rope with knots in the end for the next 2 climbs. Melungian Brotherhood. It's a 5-8 with a well-protected crux, but a run-out beginning and end. Ass Cannibal. A bit run out, but well-protected crux. If you have time, there's a few harder climbs available, like Anonymous Flake, 510 CD, and Cortez the Killer, 510 AD.